Guys, welcome back to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming for episode number 4. Today I'm going to be making a delicious banana bread, and I'm so excited. I remember my parents making this a lot growing up, and it always seemed like such a simple, quick, and easy recipe, and that's what we're sticking to on this channel. Recipes for all you busy working moms out there, dads, anybody who still wants to find time to cook and make delicious recipes, but when your time is limited. So please enjoy this and stick with me to the end, because at the end I'm going to be trying a bite or two or 3 or 4 bites. Who knows, we'll see. But if you want to see me try some at the end, please stick with me and watch the video to the end. Also hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. And I will see you later. Hi guys! So I am done making the banana cake, my first ever banana bread, banana cake. It looks like it turned out delicious. I can't wait to dig into this. And this was so simple, guys. I know that, again, if I can make this, I know you can, because this was the first time I've ever made it. And as I said, I couldn't wait, because growing up this was like literally one of my favorite desserts, and it seems so quick, so simple, so easy. And that's what we're sticking with on this channel. So let me dig into this for you guys, and I can let you know how this tastes, because I can't wait. And yeah, after you pop it out of the oven, you just let it cool down to room temperature. And after mixing your ingredients, pop in the oven, you have yourself a delicious banana cake. So let's try this. Delicious, guys. So good. This is probably my favorite so far. I don't know, it's right on up there with the Japanese cheesecake I made. I also love the peach cobbler and the 3-ingredient chocolate cake that was gluten-free. But this is absolutely delicious. I can't wait to make more of this for my family. My daughter absolutely loves banana bread, so I can't wait until she tries this. This is so good, guys. Let me just get one more bite. So good, guys, and this was so quick, so easy, so simple. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you get to make this for your family. I guarantee, I know that they will love this. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this because I can't wait. It is just too good. But again, thank you so much for all your support this far. This is a new YouTube channel. This is only my 4th cooking video. So any support helps out so much. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye.